What are some famous Irish reels? If you have ever found yourself in a lively Irish music session, you might have noticed the infectious energy of reels. These traditional dance tunes are a staple of Irish culture and are often played during social gatherings. Reels are characterized by their fast tempo and a for-time signature, making them perfect for dancing. Instruments like the fiddle, flute, and accordion bring these tunes to life, creating a vibrant atmosphere. So, what are some famous Irish reels that you might hear during your travels? One classic reel is Cooley's reel. This tune is widely recognized and frequently played at sessions and dances. Another popular choice is the silver spear, known for its catchy melody that gets everyone tapping their feet. You may also come across the Maid behind the bar, a joyful tune that flows beautifully and is loved by many musicians. The Rights of Man is another lively reel that has earned a special place in the hearts of traditional music lovers. If you venture into County Clare, keep an ear out for the Humour of Tulla. This reel is a favorite among local musicians and showcases the rich musical heritage of the region. The reel of Bogey is often performed by Céilí bands and is part of the lively dance set tradition. Another gem is the Sligo Maid, named after the Sligo region, which is known for its distinctive fiddle style. The Geese in the Bog is a reel with a strong rhythmic drive, commonly played in sessions and sure to get everyone moving. These reels are not just for dancing, they are essential pieces in Irish music sessions. Musicians gather to play these traditional tunes, often adding their own variations. The diversity of reels reflects the rich musical heritage of Ireland, making each performance unique. When you visit local pubs or music festivals, you will likely hear these reels performed live. The energy and cultural significance behind these tunes truly enhance the experience of Irish traditional music. Whether you find yourself dancing at a Céilí or simply enjoying the music in a cozy pub, reels are a vibrant part of Ireland's musical traditions.